Hey, I'm not acting up for no reason. You're just treating me pretty badly.
One day you feed me early, the next day you forget I exist. When it's time, I have to release acid. No food? I end up burning myself.
You're eating, but your eyes are glued to your phone. You chew fast. Your brain is somewhere else. My digestive enzymes get totally confused, and then you wonder why you feel bloated after.
It's already night, and you stuff me full again? I haven't even finished digesting, and you lie down right away. That pressure pushes acid upward. Don't ask why your throat starts burning.
Follow the channel if you'd rather treat your stomach better than annoy it every day.